How to fix any Bluetooth earbuds not connecting. If you find this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe.
Now, the first thing you want to do is swipe down on the top right, and then you want to make sure that Bluetooth is turned on, like so. And then all you want to do is go over to your settings application, scroll down until you find Bluetooth. And then what you want to do is look for your AirPods in other devices. So to go ahead and connect them, what you're going to have to do is basically make sure that your AirPods are in your case. Then just lift up the case once it's open. If you have Gen 3, like for example, I have AirPods Pro Gen 3, what I want to do is double tap on the light. There's also some cases, if you have a previous gen, where on the back of the case, you're going to see a little circle button. So go ahead and long press on that. And basically, you just want to make sure your case is flashing white, like the little light on it needs to be flashing white. Once it is, that's going to be in pairing mode, and then it's going to be in other devices. And once it is, all you got to do is go ahead and connect to it. And then once you do, it's going to look something like this. It's going to recognize your AirPods. And then what you can do is go over and configure your AirPods however you want. And yeah, it's literally as simple as that. There's so many different options you can go through. But if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe.